Hey guys, Quackers Clocks here. We're going to be doing the daylight save. This is the 10th annual daylight savings time setting for the grandfather clock, and I am going to be setting this by myself here.
The first thing to do is wind it.
Yeah, I got to wind it first, and we can because it's not covering the holes. So we're going to start with the middle one here. I'm going to be make sure it's not too much. I'll do it that. And then all right, so what I'm gonna do, it is wound. I'm gonna take it to 12. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do every chime. I will.
Right on the money. You might have to go just a little bit past it. Kick on. Don't go too far past. Just go right to 1 o'clock.
All right, let's see what it is.
And we'll set it to 104.
104. Alrighty. It's set to Westminster.
Huh?
It's set to Westminster now, so we'll be doing that for tomorrow. Put this up here. And that's the daylight savings time setting. This is number 10. I decided to do all the chimes, mainly because it's been at 10 years.
What's the date?
Today's March 13th.
Huh?
Today is March 13th.
After midnight is?
Yeah.
15th?
Yeah.
So just before midnight it was the 12th?
Yes. Alrighty. So that's been 10 years, folks. We're going to do others. We're going to do the other daylight savings time stuff tomorrow, yeah. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. It'll be Westminster tomorrow, so.